Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this dollhouse bedroom, and if you would like to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, make sure you follow the link in the info box and watch the tutorial. Cut out a piece of foam board that is about 28 centimeters long and 5.5 centimeters wide. Wrap it in white paper so that the edges are covered, and use 14 empty matchboxes to make little drawers. Now I'm using more foam board to make a shelf. Cover it in paper that looks like wood, place a piece of wire into lollipop sticks, bend the ends up and glue it to the shelf to make a hanging rail. Cut out some cardboard, cover it in the fabric of your choice. You can also use paper if you like, and then glue everything together like this to make a bed. This is a piece of paperboard covered in white felt, which I'm using to make a mattress. Now I'm making a dresser using foam board and paint. Since the shelf is a little bit wobbly, I'm using push pins to give it more stability. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to watch the tutorial for the whole dollhouse, make sure you click the link in the info box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!